Hey, hi everyone. I'm back with a new story. My name is Miss Harshada, and to guess today's story, we all need to sing a song. Can we all get back to our ABCs, children? Yeah? Yes. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for frog, F for frog. Yes, you all guessed it right. The story is on frog, and he's telling hi to y'all. Hello, children. But before starting the story, can we all sing one rhyme on frog? It's a Hindi rhyme, and it's my favorite also, and I'm sure you all know that rhyme. You all please sing with me. बारिश जब आती है तो फ्रॉगी आता है, बारिश जब आती है तो फ्रॉगी आता है, हॉप 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 करके घूमता रहता है, हॉप 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 करके घूमता रहता है, मिट्टी से निकल कर अर्थवॉर्म आती है, मिट्टी से निकल कर अर्थवॉर्म आती है, स्नेल भी धीरे धीरे चलती रहती है, स्नेल भी धीरे धीरे चलती रहती है, फ्रॉगी बोला बच्चों जैसा मेरा छाता है, फ्रॉगी बोला बच्चों जैसा मेरा छाता है, मालूम है उसका मशरूम नाम है, मालूम है उसका मशरूम नाम है, छम 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 आती बारिश भीग जाते हैं, छम 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 आती बारिश भीग जाते हैं, आओ बच्चों हम तुम मिलकर भुट्टा खाते हैं, आओ बच्चों हम तुम मिलकर भुट्टा खाते हैं, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining today, it's peacock, it's dancing today. Yes, this was a lovely rhyme, isn't it? Come on, let's listen to a story. This story is about two little frogs. One day, so happened, a group of frogs were passing by the wood. While they were passing by the wood, two of them fell down into a deep pit. What is a pit? A pit is a hole made in the ground. So, while they were passing by, two of them fell in the deep pit. While they fell in the deep pit, the other frogs who were outside, they started to yell, "Oh, y'all are inside! Now y'all are so deep that y'all are good as dead, and y'all cannot make it out at all." So the two frogs were really very scared. They were trying very hard with all their might and strength, but they could not make it. So the outside frog said, "Why y'all are even trying? Y'all should give up and not try to come out. Don't bear that pain." One frog listened to them and he thought, "Yes, they are right. Now we are so deep in pain that I don't want to try." And he gave up and he died in the pit. But the other frog, he tried really very hard with all his might, all his strength, and he came out. When he came out, all the other frogs who were outside, they said, "How did you made it? Didn't you hear what we said?" He said, "I cannot hear. I am deaf." Yes, children, he could not hear anything. That's why he kept trying and he thought they all are encouraging him. So, what did we learn here? That tongue has the power of life and death. Yes, our tongue, we should use it very carefully. We should use it to encourage others and not to discourage anyone. And one more thing, We should always try our best, whatever we can. We should never listen to discouragement. With here, I want to show you the froggy which I have made at home. This is a very simple froggy. I have used a string over here. I'm going to show you how you can make froggy at home by yourself. I have made a small circle and one more circle. If you want to make a big froggy, you can make a bigger circle. I'm going to stick here with the help of Fevicol. This Fevicol. After sticking this pink paper, I'm going to stick the legs. I'm going to stick the legs over here like this. Finally, after sticking the leg, I'm going to stick the tongue. Like this. I've made two circles for Froggy's eyes that I'm going to stuck now. This is the way I've stuck eyes. And with the help of a marker, I'm going to make it black over here. That's it. A bigger circle, a small circle, the tongue, the legs, and the froggy is ready. Since I had the string, you can also use a string. Whatever you like, whatever you are, which way you are comfortable. Now you take this puppet and go. After making puppet, I want you all to tell story to your mama, tell songs. Yes? Bye-bye. Thank you.